Hello everyone, in this video let's solve a question based on stack. The problem statement is parenthesis checker. If you are new to the channel, then don't forget to subscribe the channel. More coding problem will come soon. Now the problem statement is like this. A string is given to you and in that string expression is given to you and you have to check whether the parenthesis in that expression is balanced or not. So let's see an example. Let's take this example. So this is an example given to you. So you start the square bracket, then you have to find whether there is a closing bracket or not. So you start with the start with the opening parenthesis and you have to check whether there is closing parenthesis or not. You start with the curly braces, you have to check whether there is curly braces, close curly braces or not. So this is a balanced example of the expression. So let's see not balanced example. So this is one of the not balanced example. So you start with the starting opening parenthesis, you end up with the closing parenthesis. You start with curly braces, opening curly braces, you end with the closing curly braces. Now here you find closing curly braces. So there is no starting curly braces of this. So this is not an example of the balanced expression. Let's take another example. So you start with the opening parenthesis, but you find there is no closing parenthesis. So you start with opening parenthesis, then you move forward, you see starting square bracket, then you find the closing square bracket. So you found the pair, but for this there is no closing parenthesis, so it is also not an example. Now let's see this example. So you start with the square bracket, you start with the parenthesis, opening parenthesis, you found closing parenthesis, you start with opening parenthesis, you found closing parenthesis. Now you have this closing square bracket for this open square bracket. So this is the balanced expression. Now you can understand this by if you write like something like this, while, and then you write if condition. So this is the C++ statement. So you'll see this is the balanced expression. So here is a open parenthesis, there is close parenthesis. So now this curly braces start, you find the closing curly braces for this, and you found this pair, you found this pair. So this is the balanced example and there is no error. But if you add something here, then there is no opening curly braces for this. So it is an error. So it is not a balanced parenthesis problem. So this is the whole problem. It took me a lot of time to explain the problem. Let's see what is the solution of this problem. Now let's see the solution, how the solution will work. So let's take an example first. So suppose this is our example. So this is an expression string giving to us. So let's make it this way. So these are the indexes. Let's say name of this is A. So what you have to do, you have to take this stack. Now take this stack, call it S. Okay, now you come to the 0th index, and if A of I is the starting or opening parenthesis, or A of I is the opening curly braces, or A of I is the opening square bracket. If you found any of this condition, then you push that character into the stack. Then you push A of I, A of 0, because this has to be done only one time. Okay, so this is the first step. So you found opening square bracket, you push it into the stack. Fine. Now if you have this, suppose this is the string given to you and you came to the 0th index and you see that this is not checked. Okay, so as you can see, this is not a balanced expression. So none of this condition will satisfy. So you can say the starting point, even the starting point is not the condition that has to be followed. So you can simply say this is not balanced. You don't need to check further. Okay, so you'll say not balanced. Now if any of this so for this it is not balanced. Now let's go back to the our original expression. So you pushed, and after that you have to run the loop while till the end of the length of the expression. Now this I has to be start with the 1 from here. Okay, from here. Now what you have to do, you have to check these conditions again. So if these conditions, okay, now if you found any curly braces, any parenthesis or any square bracket which is open, you have to push it into stack. So you found here, so you again push. Okay, so you found again open, you push. Now once you push them, and now you found the closing parenthesis. So you found the closing parenthesis. This time you don't have to push. This time what you have to do, this time you have to first check whether the stack is empty or not. So here I am writing the code, say else. So first you have to check whether the stack is empty or not. So if stack is not empty, then you will proceed. If stack is empty, then you have to say it's not balanced. Okay, how? Let's see. So so let's take this example. So you found the opening bracket, you pushed it into the stack, you found this closing bracket. Okay, then you say okay, the stack is not empty. Fine, then you can do something. So you match it. So stack is not empty, you matched it, and this is, you found the balance. Okay, now stack is empty. Now you found this, fine, and none of this condition is true. So you come here, you see whether stack is empty or not. So stack is empty, so there is no purpose of like processing the closed parenthesis. So you just simply say it is not balanced, and you also can see this is not the balanced expression. So let's go back to our original expression. So we have pushed all these 3 character into our stack. Now you came to the closing parenthesis, and you first check that it is not empty, and you can see this stack is not empty. Then what you have to do, you have to take a temporary variable and you take the top of the stack into that. So top of the stack is our closing, so this temp will hold this. Now you have to check the few conditions. What are the conditions? If a of I is the closing bracket. Okay, so this is the closing bracket. If a of I is closing bracket and temp has to be open bracket. Fine. So if it is a closing bracket, then temp has to be open bracket. That means if you found the closing bracket, then stack should have open bracket to balance it. Okay, or if a of I is closing square bracket, then temp has to be open square bracket. Or if a of I is closing curly braces, then temp has to be open curly braces. So this is the condition. So once you found the closed parenthesis, the top of the stack has to be open parenthesis. So if it is true, then you just pop out the element from the stack. So you just simply say s dot pop. Okay, if it is not the case, you can say that it is not balanced. So if none of the condition is true, then you can simply say else not balanced. Okay, you simply can say that. So you found closed you found this balanced. Now you move forward, you found closing curly braces and the top of the stack is opening curly braces. You can match them and then you can pop it from the stack. So you found this closing square bracket and you found the open square bracket, you match it and then you pop from the stack. So once this expression gets ended, the program comes out, and then you can say, okay, this expression was balanced. So this is it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to subscribe the video. More coding problem will come soon. Thanks.